So, what has this weekend meant to you and family coming together?
I had to think about it. This one. This weekend has been relaxing, a real vacation.
Yes.
And an excellent time to reunite with everybody. I really had a good time visiting with everybody and beating up on Anthony. It was great. Little crybaby. But it just feels like this has been very nice because we're able to keep in touch.
Yes.
It feels a lot more comfortable now. Everybody feels a little bit more connected to each other.
Yes.
We're starting to definitely feel a lot more comfortable around each other, like family.
Yeah, I agree.
See every now and then. So.
Get together is important, right?
Exactly, yeah. And then next year, you know, it'll just be even worse because everybody will be even worse.
Yeah, right. Because we'll all be loving on each other.
Yeah,
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.